Headers for a 5.7 Hemi Ram, how much should you really spend? I've seen guys drop over $300 on polished stainless steel only to regret the fitment issues. Meanwhile, others swear by budget sets that hold up just fine. The truth, price doesn't always mean performance. Let's break down what actually matters. Product number 1, Fight Gasket and Bolt Kit. First up, this isn't a full header. It's a gasket and bolt stud set from Fight, priced under $51. If you're doing a header swap or fixing an exhaust leak, this kit gives you the seals and hardware you need without replacing the whole manifold. It covers a wide range of 2009-2020 Dodge Rams, Chargers, and even some Jeeps with the 5.7L Hemi. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're already swapping headers or reusing your stock manifolds, you'll need fresh gaskets and bolts to prevent leaks and ensure a proper seal. This set replaces over a dozen OEM numbers, so compatibility is solid. Just double-check your part number before ordering. Now, some people might think, wait, this isn't even a header. And you're right, this is a supporting part, not a performance upgrade. But if you're doing any exhaust work, skipping quality gaskets is a fast way to end up with ticking noises and lost power. This kit won't boost horsepower, but it'll save you from a comeback job. This is perfect for you if you're rebuilding or maintaining your exhaust system on a budget. Skip this one if you're looking for performance gains. This is pure function, not flair. At just over $50, it's a no-brainer for anyone doing serious exhaust work. Product number 2, AM Virtuo Polished Shorty Headers. Now, if you want real performance without breaking the bank, the AM Virtuo Polished Stainless Steel Shorty Headers are a serious contender at $360.90. These are mandrel bent, 304 stainless steel headers designed specifically for 2009-2023 Ram 1500s with the 5.7L Hemi. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike cheap crush-bent pipes, mandrel bending maintains consistent diameter through the curves, reducing back pressure and helping your engine breathe easier. The 3/8 laser-cut flanges and argon arc welding ensure a tight, leak-free seal, critical when you're pushing higher exhaust temps. Installation is straightforward with included gaskets and hardware, though a shop install is recommended if you're not confident with exhaust work. Here's the thing though, these are built to OEM specs. So if your truck has major aftermarket changes, you might need minor adjustments. But for stock or mildly modified Rams, they fit like a glove. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, performance-oriented upgrade with a mirror-like finish that looks great in the engine bay. Skip this one if you're running extreme modifications or need long tube headers for max power. At under $365, it's a solid value for the quality. Product number 3, QJMUS Shorty Headers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-minded builders. The QJMUS Shorty Headers at $270.69. These also use 304 stainless steel with a polished finish, but they come in at nearly $100 less than the AM Virtuo set. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The larger primary diameter helps scavenge exhaust gases more efficiently, which can translate to better low-end torque, exactly what you want in a daily driven Ram. The 16-gauge pipe thickness strikes a balance between durability and weight, and the mandrel bends keep flow smooth. Installation is tool-free according to the description, but let's be real, you'll still need basic wrenches and torque specs to do it right. Now some people question the no tools required claim, and honestly that's a bit misleading. You'll definitely need tools, but the process is simpler than full long tube installs. Still, the 1-year warranty and solid build quality make this a reliable pick. This is perfect for you if you want performance gains without the premium price tag. Skip this one if you're chasing maximum horsepower. These are great for street use, but not race-level builds. For under $275, it's one of the best value headers out there. Product number 4, Net-Egged Stainless Shorty Headers. Now, if the QJMUS headers impressed you, wait until you hear about the Net-Egged set at $348.01. These are built for 2009-2018 Ram 1500s and feature TIG welding, mandrel bends, and a mirror-polished 304 stainless finish. Here's why this matters for you specifically. TIG welding offers cleaner, stronger joints than cheaper MIG welding, which means better longevity under heat cycles and vibration. The mandrel bends ensure exhaust flows smoothly, reducing turbulence and improving scavenging. This can lead to a noticeable improvement in throttle response and a deeper exhaust note. Installation is straightforward, but as with all headers, proper torque sequence and gasket alignment are key. Now, some people noted that the polished finish can show fingerprints and require regular cleaning to keep it looking sharp. Here's the thing though, if you garage your truck and care about aesthetics, that's a minor trade-off for the performance and durability you get. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of looks, performance, and build quality. Skip this one if you rarely open the hood or prefer matte finishes. At just under $350, it's a strong mid-tier option. Product number 5, Kooks O2 Extension Kit. Finally, we've got the Kooks Headers O2 Extension Kit at $58.98. This isn't a header, it's a 6-inch extension harness for your oxygen sensors, designed for 2009 plus Ram 1500s with the 5.7L Hemi. If you've installed aftermarket headers, you've probably run into the issue of O2 sensors not reaching their original location. This kit solves that. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Without proper O2 sensor placement, your truck can throw check engine lights, run rich or lean, and hurt fuel economy. This extension lets you relocate the sensors correctly after a header swap, keeping your engine running smoothly. It's a small part but critical for a clean install. Now, some people expected this to come with headers, but it doesn't. It's sold separately as a replacement or add-on. Here's the thing though, if you're doing a header install, you should already know you might need this. It's not a standalone upgrade. This is perfect for you if you're installing long tube or shorty headers and need to extend your O2 sensor wiring. Skip this one if you're keeping stock manifolds or don't have sensor fitment issues. At under $60, it's a cheap insurance policy for a proper exhaust upgrade. So which header is best? If you're on a tight budget, the QJMUS set delivers solid performance for under $275. Want better welding and lighter weight? NetEgged is worth the extra $75. AM Virtuo offers great fitment and polish, while Fight's gasket kit is essential for any rebuild. And don't forget the Kooks O2 extensions, small part, big impact. Pick based on your build goals, not just price.